Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In this video, we are going to see some very exclusive bridal Kanjivarams silk sarees. All these sarees are priced between 20,000 and it goes up to 35,000. Let's get started. All the sarees that I'm going to show you today are pure double and triple warp Kanjivarams silk sarees. The zari used is 1 gram and 2 gram golden zari weaving. Very classy, rich brocade patterns. We have some beautiful tissue sarees, very intricately woven and unique designs to showcase in this video. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the product page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. The first one for today, a classic tissue Kanjivaram in baby pink and lotus pink combination. Short and long traditional Korvai Kanjivaram borders and 2 gram golden zari weaving on either sides. Very pretty Annapakshis and Chakram buttas woven towards the bottom part of the sari with Bavanji border. The body is in light baby pink tissue with leaf patterned brocade weaving running all over the body. A rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain tissue blouse priced at 33,790. Red, a perfect bridal Kanjivaram with rich zari woven borders on either sides. Contrast selvage in green that gives a classic highlight to this sari. The body is in beautiful zari brocade floral pattern weaving running all over the body. A rich self pallu, this is a 2 gram golden zari weaving. Plain blouse in red, priced at 31,490. The next one is a very unique bridal tissue Kanjivaram. This is in golden zari weaving with 2 gram golden touch with contrast pink selvage on either sides. The body has got intricately woven floral pattern running all over the sari. The highlight of this sari is the border design. This has got beautiful Bharat pattern along with bride and groom weaving running all over the bottom part of the border, giving it a very classy look. A rich self pallu with floral pattern. And this has got a zari brocade blouse priced at 30,720. Pastel green with violet, another unique color combination in 1000 butta model. Rich contrast Korvai borders in 2 gram golden zari weaving with contrast selvage in green on either sides. The body has got small coin buttas, 1000 butta pattern running all over the body. A contrast rich zari woven pallu in violet, that's the pallu, and a plain violet blouse priced at 31,500. One more tissue Kanjivaram in 1 gram golden zari. This has got beautiful brocade weaving in floral pattern running all over the sari on top of golden tissue with short and long Korvai traditional Kanjivaram borders with selvage in green on either sides. A rich contrast zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a rich zari brocade blouse priced at 25,990. Golden yellow with pink, another beautiful sari with short and long rich Korvai borders on either sides. Banarasi style paisley zari brocade weaving running along the middle portion of the sari. A contrast rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in pink priced at 21,550. Magenta with peacock blue, another beautiful color combination with rich contrast Bavanji borders along with selvage on either sides. This has got very pretty floral zari brocade weaving intricately woven along the body. A contrast rich pallu in peacock blue and a plain peacock blue blouse priced at 29,950. Another classic Kanjivaram in pastel shade. This is a very light pastel blue with grey combination. Contrast rich borders on either sides with beautiful Vanasingaram pattern running all over the sari in rich zari brocade weaving. A contrast rich pallu in grey, that's the pallu, and a plain grey blouse priced at 31,490. Another exclusive bridal Kanjivaram. This has got beautiful Banarasi style borders with Pythony floral weaving on either sides. This has got very pretty twin bird motifs intricately woven along with floral pattern running all over the sari. A rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a heavy brocade blouse priced at 27,550. Peach with red, another classic bridal Kanjivaram with rich traditional Kanchipuram borders in golden zari weaving. It's a 2 gram golden zari weaving on either sides. The body has got intricately woven elephants and peacocks running all over the sari. A rich zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in red priced at 31,090. One more tissue Kanjivaram with short and long traditional zari woven borders on either sides with selvage and orange. The body has got beautiful floral zari brocade weaving on top of golden tissue, matching the colors with blue borders on either side. A contrast rich pallu in blue, that's the pallu, and a tissue blouse in blue, priced at 21,990. Peachish pink with purple, another beautiful sari with contrast rich borders on either sides. This has got paisley and floral brocade weaving running all over the sari. Contrast pallu, rich zari woven pallu in purple, and a plain purple blouse, priced at 20,060. Golden yellow with red, one more classic bridal Kanjivaram with rich korvai borders on either sides. This has got very subtle and classy brocade weaving on top of tissue running all over the body. A rich zari woven pallu in red, that's the pallu. Tissue blouse in red, priced at 31,090. One more in golden tissue with peach combination. Contrast selvage in green with bawanji borders. Intricately woven peacocks with a touch of silver zari running along both sides of the sari. The body has got very classy and beautiful floral zari brocade weaving running on top of golden tissue. A rich pallu in peach, that's the pallu, and a plain tissue blouse, priced at 20,490. Yellow with pink, an ever gorgeous color combination. The last one for today with short and long zari woven borders and korvai weaving with rudrakshams and bawanjis on either sides. The body has got Vanasingaram pattern, beautiful peacocks, deer motifs, elephants woven along the body with floral pattern. A rich contrast zari woven pallu in pink and a plain pink blouse, priced at 21,550. All these saris are available in our website. Go ahead and shop for these beautiful bridal Kanjivarams at www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.